Hello, you're looking at a 1997 Chevy Cheyenne 3500 heavy duty dual tire boom truck. This truck was previously owned by Comcast Cable, one owner. Their trucks are well maintained and subject to a yearly inspection. Has 146,000 miles on it. Has a 7.4 liter, which is the old trusty 454, and that motor runs forever. They're bulletproof. They really are. Starts right up. Runs well. Has AC, but the blower you can hear has a noise in it, so it's going to need a blower motor. So there it stops. But I don't believe it's blowing cold. I'll let it run for a minute. Let's just take a quick look at the motor. She runs good. Got a brand new battery. Nice and quiet. Paint's peeling, but really has not a lot of rust in it. Got a little rust in the platform on the back, but overall, not a rusty truck. You can see in the back, got a couple little holes here, but it's solid. Now, as far as a bucket goes, the generator does not work. We try to get it running. If you're good at that, you'll get a great buy here, because we can't get it to do anything. Can't get it to do anything. Or at the very worst, you put a new generator in it. The hydraulics just about always work on these, but I wasn't able to test it. Needs a generator, or I've also seen people wire them up where you could plug it in to a 110 outlet, and I've used one like that before. Saves you from having to get a generator, so you have to be near a plug when you want to use it. If you go for Christmas tree lights, or changing light bulbs, things like that, electrical work. Now this is a no reserve auction, so the top bidder will get it. Please do not bid unless you're able to finish the transaction. You don't have to pick it up right away, but you do have to pay a deposit of $250 within 7 days, and the balance, $250 within 24 hours, and a balance within 7 days. We can store it up to 30 days or a little longer, no problem. Got a clear title. When you pick it up, you'll have a, let's see what this is blowing out here. I don't believe it's cold. Radio works though. It's also going to need a mirror right here. We have a Pet Boys right up the street that has those mirrors. I can get it for you also, but that is at the buyer's expense. We're in a blowout mode here. It's going to get sold. What was I saying? Okay, we will pick you up at the airport, BWI airport, or in White Marsh if you take one of the new buses, the Mega Bus, or the Bolt Bus. There's several of those. I have a customer coming in tomorrow using the Mega Bus. Saved a lot of money from Greyhound. Or at the train station in Aberdeen. And this truck will drive you home wherever you need to go. See, all the gauges are good. No check engine light or anything like that, no miss. It's an older truck, but it runs good and has a lot of life left in it. It goes up to highway speed, no problem. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it on this road, obviously not, but it goes up to 60, 70 miles an hour, no problem. A little bouncy, but no problem. Anyway, buy this Chevy boom truck.